Connecting your Sceptre monitor to your laptop offers three main options, each with distinct advantages for different use cases. HDMI provides universal compatibility with laptops manufactured after 2010 and supports resolutions up to 4K. USB-C offers a convenient single cable solution that carries video, audio, and power. DisplayPort delivers higher bandwidth, making it ideal for gaming and connecting multiple monitors. HDMI is the most universal connection option. It's compatible with virtually all modern laptops, carries both video and audio signals, and supports resolutions from 1080p up to 4K, depending on the HDMI version. USB-C represents the future of connectivity. This single cable solution can simultaneously transmit video, audio, and power to your laptop, eliminating cable clutter and providing up to 90 watts of power delivery for compatible devices. DisplayPort offers the highest bandwidth of the three options, making it the preferred choice for high refresh rate gaming, professional graphics work, and connecting multiple monitors in a daisy chain configuration. The connection process is straightforward. First, power off both devices for safety. Connect your chosen cable between the laptop and monitor. Power on the monitor first, then the laptop. Finally, use the OSD buttons on your monitor to select the correct input source. For advanced setups, DisplayPort supports daisy chaining multiple monitors from a single laptop connection, creating expansive workspaces for productivity and professional applications. Once your Sceptre monitor is connected, you need to configure display settings in your operating system. Let's start with Windows 11. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings from the context menu. This opens the main display configuration panel. In the Display Settings window, click Detect Displays to ensure Windows recognizes your Sceptre monitor. This resolves most connection issues automatically. For macOS users, the process is equally straightforward. Navigate to System Settings, then Displays, and finally Arrangement. Linux users have two options. Use the Graphical Settings menu or command line tools like xrandr for advanced configuration. Even with proper setup, you might encounter issues. The three most common problems are incorrect input source selection, outdated graphics drivers, and incompatible cables. Outdated graphics drivers cause many display problems. Update your GPU drivers through the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA or AMD. Finally, ensure you're using certified, high-quality cables. Cheap cables often cause connection failures and display issues. Following these steps, Sceptre monitors achieve excellent connection success rates. HDMI connections succeed 98.2% of the time, while USB-C achieves 94.7% success on the first attempt.